Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Instantly account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Calendar to your Instantly account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to connect your Google Calendar to Instantly anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing cold email outreach through Instantly, you know that if you can connect your Google Calendar, you can book meetings directly in the Instantly account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Instantly AI account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Instantly account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and connect your Google Calendar account, here on the left side, you're going to click on your profile icon here on the bottom left. Once you do that, you'll see these options, but click on settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options at the top, but you want to look for this button here called integrations. All right, once you do that, you're going to see various integrations you can add into Instantly, but you want to scroll down until you see Google Calendar. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on connect. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the instructions on how to connect your Google Calendar into Instantly. Now, just so you know, this cannot be done with a personal account. You do have to have a G Suite account. So in order for this to work, you need to go ahead and follow these instructions by opening your Google Workspace admin panel. Once you do that, you want to go to add app, and then the type of add app, you're going to do OAuth. Once you do that, it's going to ask for this password right here. So you're going to go ahead and copy this. All right, now it's copied to your clipboard, and then you're going to paste it into your Google account. And then lastly, select and approve Instantly to access Google Workspace. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Calendar into Instantly, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. And like I said, unfortunately, you cannot do it with a personal account, which is what I have. I don't have Google Workspace, so I'm not able to go back into the complete process and show it completed. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.